Joe Beermaster here. We have another Joe Beermaster automotive video, and this is going to be a quick one on the Hyundai Genesis. This is a 2013 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 turbo motor, and it blew a connecting rod. There's some damage underneath here, which it's hard to see, but there is damage here from speeding. We believe it was from speeding, and it's on the bearing. See the bearing here on the crank. So these engines really aren't made to be raced like that. It's not a common problem. What's that, Joe?
They're made to race, but you gotta know how to race them.
You gotta know what you're doing, really. You can't just abuse them. So what did we do here? We
put a new shaft.
New shaft and new bearings.
Yeah.
And how about the connecting rods?
We're gonna put a new one too. Here's the bearing. We put a new one. Do you want to show the bearing? There's the old bearing for the main. We are putting a main and. All right. What happened? Our core wrench is missing?
No, I bought.
So what's the repair go on this cost approximately?
Complete job probably like $5,500. You know how much dealers are? 10,000. No, so you get